Hi, in this video I will show you how to skip videos on the TikTok. So TikTok just launched the feature in which you can fast forward or skip the video, or you can see the one part in the video again and again which you like. So now you can do it. So how you can do it we will discuss in this video. Watch this video till the end so you can understand it better. So first of all, you need to open your Play Store mobile application and you have to search for the TikTok. Once you will search for it, you will see an update option here. Right now my TikTok account is up to dated, so it's not showing me right here. But if your TikTok is not up to dated, you can simply update your TikTok from here. And once you will do it, open your TikTok. Remember that this feature is not available for all the videos. You can find this on some of the videos. So how you can do it, right now you won't find any fast forward or skip part of the video in this video. So we can simply scroll up a video and we can just see we can fast forward this video, but not by swiping to the left or right or find anywhere. So where you can find it, if you can notice, you will find a white row here. You can see it's moving to the right, so you can control the fast forward or skip feature right here. I simply tap on it and move it to the left or right. You can see video is going to back. And let's say I want to skip this video, and see, now I am on the end part of this video. So in this way you can skip or fast forward your videos on the TikTok. Now let's move to the next video. We can't find this option. Sorry, it's an ad. Now scroll up and we also can't find this feature on this video. Not on this, not on this, not on this, not on this. So I have already told you before that this feature is available on few videos. Like we can do this on this video. You can see a white line is appear here. You can move it to the forward or the backward to do this. So in this way you can do this. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.